Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're finally back at Colorado School of Mines, and I'm kind of bored and I kind of miss making videos, so we're just gonna make one. I think I'm gonna bike around, I'm gonna bring my drone, and then we'll just see what happens. Wow, there she is in all of her glory. Just pumped her up yesterday. Compliments of some random climbing shop because all these stupid pumps are broken, but we're good to go. Oh yeah, there's no kickstand. Well. I'm trying to decide where I want to stop and fly. Just back there is like as far as I ever go running. I turn around at like the same spot every time because there starts to be a big downhill and I don't really want to run back up it. But I think pretty soon here, like I just looks at me a little funny. I'm sure I look amazing like this, but yeah, this looks really good. We're in the shadow right now. This is the side of that hill, whatever they call it. They call hills in like Wisconsin mountains, you know? So, I don't know, flatlander problems, I guess. But I think I'm gonna stop here pretty soon and get some sick drone pics, yes. You know, actually, maybe I should make sure it's legal to fly here before I do it. Okay, so stupidly funny story. After I checked to make sure it was legal, it's actually very illegal to fly here. All of this land is like managed by the county and you can't fly over any of it. And so I just can't do that, especially because I'll be posting it on the internet. Not a good idea. Guys, just don't fly. We're not supposed to. It's pretty easy. So I'll just go somewhere else. Okay, we're gonna go downtown and then fly around. Look at these tourists. Imagine that being from around here. Cringe. So many people tube down the river here, and it's called Clear Creek. And so many people do it. Look at all of those people. And like, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 6:13 on a Tuesday night, and look at all these people here. It's crazy. I'm about to eat this dog. Uh-oh. Hi. Those were really cute dogs. It's kind of crazy because I live in like a tourist attraction now, but at the same time there's like actual like people things that like normal people do. Like that's like a mini football league or whatever over there. So it's kind of cool. I just passed there's a park ranger back there. She's eyeing me up a little bit, but she's probably just jealous. All right, let's fly drone. All right, well, I'd say that's been a pretty good success so far. The sun's about to go down. It's golden hour here in Golden, Colorado. I think that's about it. I used up all my batteries. Each of them was charged to about 50%. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna bike back and I'll edit this, and I guess we'll see if there's any more after this. All right, on my way back, the crown jewel of the Colorado School of Mines campus is this huge hill, Maple Street. Oh my God. I run up this like every weekday. Holy crap. This is gonna suck. That sucked. All right, I think that's it for today. I'm just gonna go back and edit this and probably grab some dinner. So thanks for joining me. Maybe next time we'll have some, like, I don't know. I have no idea. We'll see. Catch you next time.